Light assembly is an affordable solution for distributors who have advanced kitting and production requirements. If you are an Acumatica user, you are probably already familiar with the two types of powerful but mutually exclusive kits it offers: stock and non-stock. Stock kits may allow you to see on-hand quantities, but you are unable to build them from a sales order. Non-stock kits are able to be built from a sales order, but there is no way to see on-hand quantities throughout the sales process. Light assembly combines and expands the features of Acumatica kits by treating all kits as finished goods. That gives you the flexibility you need to build to stock or build to order as desired. On this sales order form, we can see that a typical non-stock kit offers no information about inventory status. If it's replaced with one of the advanced kits made possible with light assembly, detailed inventory information becomes available. The quantity on hand is provided, as well as an available to promise date. But because this is an advanced kit, it is not limited to behaving only as a stock kit. We can dedicate a work order to it, and this kit can be built to order just like a non-stock kit. The work orders offered by Light Assembly go far beyond an ordinary pick ticket. These work orders include both materials and labor to calculate the true cost of goods sold. Depending on your company's best practices, partial completions are an option for the work order. While in the planning stage, you can see all the necessary inventory information for the components of the kit which has already been converted into a bill of materials. Any items needing subassembly or purchasing would be noted here. Once planning is complete, the work order can be released and printed for the warehouse. The barcoded work order that is produced allows you to capture actual time and materials consumed. You can also backflush to capture time and materials. When the work order is complete, inventory will update automatically and you will be able to create your shipment, pack, ship, and invoice like any other order. Although this video has highlighted how light assembly can help improve the sales and shipping processes, advanced kits and work orders are just scratching the surface of what light assembly has to offer. In addition to creating a work order directly from a sales order, Light Assembly offers a production planning tool that allows you to generate work orders based on forecasted sales. Forecasting can be based on a variety of methods and can account for kits within kits. This demand planning feature is certain to reduce stockouts and optimize assembly operations. The production requirements screen allows you to view material requirements across all of your work orders to maximize buying power. This requirements report incorporates Acumatica's replenishment logic, so it is already taking into account seasonality, min-max settings, and safety stock. The Light Assembly features and workspaces include many of the same automation and scheduling tools that make Acumatica powerful to begin with. Light Assembly also includes a variety of dashboards and reports that are certain to improve the user experience of distributors. If you are ready to learn more about Light Assembly or any of our other products, visit our website to schedule a personalized demo today.